Ketchup? Hingi si Daddy, wait lang. Daddy, hingi kong ketchup.
Wala.
Mommy, what's that?
Sino naman yan?
Look up! Daddy, look! A big dump truck. It's a lower and low. It's very low.
Ganda pala ng view dito pag gabi, ano? Maganda na ng view.
It's a big dump truck.
Yes.
Daddy,
Yes.
you driving a dump truck?
Yes.
Ketchup pala dito. Ano?
Ano?
Tapos you're driving a trailer truck?
Yes.
Ba't ganyan yung ano? Dungis. Ano kinain? Ano natin? Here's your french fries, anak.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
But what about the ketchup?
Wait lang, anak ko.
Cargo truck. Trailer.
Trailer on naman.
Yes.
Sinag-drive mo yan?
Yes.
Ano?
Yes po.
What? Anak, wala na naman po ang anak ko. Bumili kong tatlo. Bitin yan. Walang gulay. Kinuha ko, hindi na nag-reply sila. Cancel na